Hi, I am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
I am excited to take you on a virtual stroll through the charming beachfront of Somorrostro Beach in Barcelona. Today, I will be sharing with you the beauty of this stunning beach, its rich history, and the many activities and attractions that you can enjoy here. So, grab your virtual sunscreen and let's begin. Before we start, I would like to kindly ask you to hit that like button if you enjoy the video.
If you want to see the hottest video of my walks, subscribe to my Patreon. Link below.
Your support means a lot to me and motivates me to create more travel content for you. Also, don't forget to write a comment below and let me know your thoughts about the video. Lastly, please subscribe to my channel to stay updated with my latest travel adventures. As we begin our stroll, you will immediately notice the crystal clear waters and soft white sand of Somorrostro Beach. The beach is located in the heart of Barcelona and stretches for over a kilometer, making it one of the longest beaches in the city. The beach is named after the village of Somorrostro, which once stood where the beach now lies. The village was inhabited by fishermen and their families, and their legacy still lives on in the charming atmosphere of the beach. As we walk along the beachfront promenade, you will see a variety of activities and attractions that make Somorrostro Beach a popular destination for both tourists and locals alike. From beach volleyball courts to water sports, there is something for everyone here. You can rent a sunbed and an umbrella and soak up the sun or take a dip in the refreshing Mediterranean Sea. One of the most interesting attractions on the beachfront is the Somorrostro Cemetery.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and please like this video. See you in the next one. Bye.